Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to scan our WordPress website using InstaWP platform. We are using InstaWP. So we are going to scan WordPress website. Before starting our customer request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are not going to use any plugin. Now you see site name. So this is a site. So click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see scanner, so click on it and then you see option, so click on it. Now you see right now not found any vulnerability scans in this site, so click on scan and view report, so click on scan. Now you see success message, date, status warning, summary, one medium show. Now you see component, all in one, WP migration and backup, read more. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.